Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at Color, a macro virus that originated in October of 1995, and since this predates the Office 2000 version that I usually use for macro virus videos, and it also predates Office 97, we're going all the way back to Windows 3.1 with Office 4.0. I'm going to go ahead and open our infected document here. We run it, we don't see anything, but we are now infected. In fact, going to Tools and Macro does nothing. It loops back into Word and you cannot actually see any macros that are present in the document. However, if we go to File, Templates, Organizer, then Macros, we can see that there are a number of macros here in this document, and these are all used to infect documents and perform its payload. So we'll get out of here. Files are infected when they are created and also when they are saved as a different name using the Save As menu. So we'll go ahead and do that just in C:. Oh, I can't. Why not? I'll change it to colors. Okay. And there we go. This document is now also infected with this same macro virus. If we go to Organizer Macros, we have these same macros here. So pretty much anytime you make a new document or save as a document, they will be infected and you can pass this infection on to other computers. Let's go ahead and get on to activation. We'll close out of this. Yeah, we'll save the changes, why not? And we will go to Windows and Win.ini. So the virus adds a new counter here called counter su, and every time you perform generic actions in Word like creating a new document, save as, closing, stuff like that, it increments this counter, and when it reaches 300 it performs its payload. So we'll go ahead and change this to 299, save it so we don't have to actually do 300 things in Word, and go back to our document, and we will just do stuff. Oh, let's get out of here. Open that back up, and we'll save it, and then we'll close it. And then if we go back to Windows and Win.ini, this should now be over 300. There we go, 303, and we can exit, and we will load back into Windows. We should see the payload. So let's go ahead and boot back up. And there we go. Things are looking pretty good. We have this like bright green, taskbar here. Menus are all green with hot pink text, purple background, bluish, red. Just basically messes with all your colors, and everything is pretty much messed up. It's a pretty simple fix if you just go in and change your theme again, but kind of annoying if you didn't know where this was coming from. And we'll go ahead and open up File Manager. Oh, nice! The default text is the same as the background color, so you can't see any file names or folder names unless you highlight them. That's awesome. I love it. So let's run. Let's see. We need to get to the Windows directory, wherever it may be. Here it is. We need to find win.ini. I think this is it. Yep. Okay. And oh, all the text is the same too. Oh, that's great. I love it. And what I'm trying to see here is it should activate every time an item that's divisible by 300 is encountered. So it should also activate when we reach 600. Let's see. I need to turn numlock on and type 599. There we go. Okay, let's save this. File save. File close. Now we need to somehow get back to colors.doc. Alright, here we go. File save. File close, and then exit out. And let's see if we exit out of Windows again if the colors change once more to something else. Load back in, and yes, it does. So every time you reach 300, 600, 900, etc., the colors will change randomly. And if you didn't know where this was coming from, it'd be kind of annoying, but it's not destructive at all. And that is about it for the colors macro virus. As we can see, our menus are now invisible, which is pretty awesome. And that's really about it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this Windows 3.1 video, and take care.